How to redeem Microsoft gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem your Microsoft gift card and use it for games, apps, or even subscriptions. So let's just get started. For that, open up a browser and you can just go ahead and type in redeem.microsoft.com and hit go. After that, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account in that piece. So if you don't have one, you can just go ahead and click on sign up and create a new account at the moment. And make sure it's the account that you want to use the gift card on, whether it is for Xbox, Microsoft Store, or other services. Once you have logged in, you'll be easily finding the space with the section where you can enter up to 25 character code on the back of your Microsoft gift card. So I can just go ahead and scratch off the back on the code on the back. After that, go ahead and enter up your 25 character code right here and tap on next and then redeem it. And once you have entered the code, you will see a confirmation screen showing the value of the gift card and what it can be used for. Confirm to add the funds to your Microsoft account and your balance will be updated. And that is it. So that is how you can successfully redeem your Microsoft gift card. So I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.